Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this area claimer item in Grow Garden game app Roblox Summer Camp event. Okay, let's get into it guys. From this event, you will be able to craft this item from here. This is the recipe for the area claimer. Actually, this is not a new item. If I'm not mistaken, I got this item during the Safari update. I don't really remember. And this item is back to the summer camp update. Okay, and this is a defined item. It can reclaim a coveted treasure forged at the summer campfire, prized by gardeners all season long. Actually, this doesn't help that much. I mean, the explanation. Okay, now let's just use this area claimer. Basically, guys, it can turn your plants into seeds in one area. For example, I'm going to reclaim this area. Just tap on the just tap on the plant like this, and it will reclaim some plants in this radar. As you can see, blue candy pop, paradise petal, sunflower, bamboo tree, lemon bloom, fire pit flower, gummy cactus, and so on. I'm gonna move guys because I don't want to reclaim them. Let's do area claimer here. I'm going to reclaim my mangoes because I need that to craft the campfire egg. Okay, let's just claim this gleam root, and oh no, let's just do for the tomato guys. Okay, I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and just like that. So guys, that's how you can use the area claimer in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.